Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create a mowing schedule on a MOVA 1000. To do it, you'll need to have a map created, and once you have it, you can click on this button right here, which is a schedule. Now you can set it up in many different methods. This is a spring and summer schedule, and this is autumn and winter schedule. I'll set the spring and summer now, and let's click on add schedule. Now we can select the times on the grid, which is very useful. Let's do 4, maybe not 4 a.m. Who most at 4 a.m. I'll delete it. I really do want to delete it. Well, I'll just go back. Yeah, so I'll do a 10 to 14. Oh yeah, I can't really, it makes sense. I can't really select the time myself. I need to select the type of a task. So it's either all area, zone, or edge. Edge will just do edges of the zones. Zone, you can set, if you have multiple zones in your yard, you can set all of them to just select the ones that you want to mow. Or all area, which will do all zones together. Let's confirm. Yeah, I'll shorten it automatically. Unfortunately, I just, for an example, scanned an area that's 3 minutes long, so won't be displayed really pretty. You can see it's just very barely visible because I mapped a really small area just for the sake of this video. But if you have a larger yard, then definitely you'll see it here. It may take multiple hours if it's a really big one, and you can see it shows that all area is green, zone mode is blue, and the edge mode is going to be orange if you set it up. Of course, you can set it for different days, and it just repeats weekly. I'll save it now, and now it is saved, and that is my schedule. I can also delete it. I can enable the schedule. That is important for it to work. You need to enable it, so now it is effective. And if you disable it, it won't be happening anymore until you turn it back on. And that is basically it about the schedule. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.